Have a great welcome everyone. I am thrilled to have you here at Math Simplified by HM. Today we are exploring a specific application of Pythagoras Theorem involving an equilateral triangle. We will walk through a step-by-step mathematical proof to uncover how a specific point on the base creates a powerful relationship. Please take a moment to like, share this video with your friends and subscribe with the bell icon turned on to never miss a lesson. Grab your notebook, use the pause button whenever you need to, and let us dive into the geometry. Geometric proof, equilateral triangle property. In triangle PQR, S is a point on QR such that QS is equal to 1 by 3 QR. To prove 9PS squared is equal to 7PQ square. Problem statement and given data. Given triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, PQ is congruent to QR is congruent to PR, sides of equilateral triangle. And QS is equal to 1 by 3 QR. To prove 9PS square is equal to 7PQ square. Strategic construction. Draw segment PT perpendicular to side QR where T lies on QR. In an equilateral triangle, the altitude bisects the base. We know this property very well. So, we get QT is equal to TR is equal to 1 half QR. QT is equal to TR is equal to half of the QR. Expressing segments in terms of side A, let PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to A. Therefore, QT is equal to 1 upon 2A, QS is equal to 1 by 3A given. Now, we have ST is equal to QT minus QS as Q, S and T are collinear. Therefore, we get 1 by 2A minus 1 by 3A is equal to 1 by 6A. We know that altitude of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 2 times its side. For altitude in equilateral triangle, we get altitude PT is equal to root 3 upon 2 into A. Applying Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle PTS by Pythagoras theorem, PS square is equal to PT square plus ST square. Now we have PT is equal to root 3 by 2A and ST is equal to 1 upon 6 into A. Therefore, we get PS square is equal to root 3 upon 2 into A bracket square plus 1 upon 6 into A bracket square. Simplifying, we get PS square is equal to 3 upon 4 A square plus 1 upon 36 A square. Final calculation. PS square is equal to 27 A square plus 1 A square upon 36. Adding this, we get 20 A square upon 36. Therefore, PS square is equal to 7 by 9 A square. Multiplying both sides by 9, we get 9 PS square is equal to 7 A square. Since A is equal to PQ, we get 9 PS square is equal to 7 PQ square. That concludes our proof. We have demonstrated how a simple construction can reveal a powerful relationship within an equilateral triangle. Remember, mastering these Pythagoras riders is all about consistent practice and logical reasoning. Thank you for your wonderful attention today. If this lesson was helpful, please like, share this video with your circle and subscribe to Math Simplified by HM with the bell icon turned on. Enjoy the great time ahead and keep practicing, keep learning.